I thought I had a problem with foxes digging through from next door underneath the deck, but it actually turns out they were badgers. And what I've done to fix that is I've dug down to the chalk, which is really the bedrock. Here is chalk. So dug down to there in the area where they were digging through, filled it with some vertical slabs, and then backed up the hole with a load of concrete blocks and bricks. So it's going to be an awful lot of a job for them to dig through there now.
Now, if you haven't subscribed already, be sure and hit that button. And for some positive woodworking vibes, just remember to like and share the video. So the whole process was relatively straightforward, thanks very much to the fact that I used stainless steel screws in the first place. Now, if you do have any questions, please just leave them in the comments and I'll get straight back to you.